Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 16th of June 2014, we're going to look at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, GER30, and US oil, all on the daily chart using the Elliott Wave analysis. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, now we're on the charts. We'll start with gold. And basically we will have to do a recount. Right now we're on a wave 3. Our wave count showed us that we're on a wave 3 of a primary degree, and that's red and in circles, and it's subwaves 1, 2 of the intermediate. There's the 1, 2, that's green in brackets, and it was on a wave 3 down, and then we projected it for a breaking that down further, the minor wave, which is 1, 2, 3. Minor waves is in pink and in brackets, that's in a wave 3. And then we were looking that we were probably going to be coming up to a wave 4 of a minor, which is blue Roman numbers, and in circles there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Unfortunately we have been stopped out, therefore this wave count will be invalidated in terms of right now consideration for this minor degree. When we look at it, we can probably consider maybe bringing down this wave 1 down to where the wave 3 is, and then taking that up further. Just doing a quick alteration now to the previous wave count, which if you remember, let me show to you, the wave 2 of the minor was up at the 1316 level. Now I've taken it and brought it down all the way to perhaps 1294. Therefore the wave 1 has come down to this level, and that could validate. So let's just see what happens at these particular levels if price actually comes to the 161A and then drops down accordingly. Nothing is yet confirmed. We will actually have to relook at this particular instrument accordingly. Let's now move to the SPX500. SPX500, here we are right now. From the larger wave degree, I'll take it to the weekly so you can have a better understanding on how it looks. So super cycle wave 3, there's the wave 2 down here at the low of 15th of March 2009. So in the wave 3, its structures then in the wave 1 for a cycle degree, that's black. And then when we break that down, we're now looking for the primary wave. Primary wave is in a wave 5. There's its wave 4, so it's in a wave 5. And then breaking that further down, we're looking to be a wave 3 for a intermediate, that's green and in brackets 1, 2, and a wave 3. And then we're looking for a minor wave, which is 3, and that's in pink. So that's what we're looking at right now. So what we'll do, we'll open up everything a little bit stronger so we can actually see. So what we're trying to target this wave 3 right here, right now. We've taken an entry on a wave 4 of its subordinate, which is the minute degree. Prices come up, hit the 161.8, and then come down. Now holding on the 127 level, as you can see, it's taking it on the wave 4 of the minor minute degree, as you can see here. Prices come down, hit us into the trade at the 23.6 level. It didn't come down. We got another entry at the 38.2 level, and what we're trying to do, we're just trying to close off this wave 3 of the larger wave degree, and that we know is going to be an extension. So when price does come down for the wave 4, then we'll consider the other thing. But right now we're trying to end this trade accordingly. with that particular trade. So to redefine, our entry was at 1936.6, still valid for an entry. Stop level 1898.8, still valid. If you want to enter on it right now, it's possible. And we're looking at the profit target of 19771. That's what we're looking for. Okay, let's move to the next instrument, US oil. US oil, as you can see, larger wave degree structure. We'll take it to the weekly first so you can actually have a better look where we stand. Larger wave degree is, there's the wave 2 of the cycle degree, that's in Roman numbers and black, and then breaking that down, the wave 3, 1, 2 of the primary, which is red in circles. There's 1, there's 2, and we're in a wave 3 up. Its wave structure is breaking that further down, and so when we're looking at the larger wave degree patterns, if we take this wave here, which is the cycle degree, which is the larger wave, if that's the wave 2, then the wave 3 of 100% will end around here, 155.92. We break that down, the primary, that's red in circles, it's wave 2. We take that at this level, then the wave 3 is possibly to end at here, which is 135 degrees. 135 is the price. So what we're now doing, we're looking for some deeper analysis. So we go down into the intermediate, that's green and brackets, and you can see the wave 2 is here, 1, 2, and then wave 3 we take it at the 100% level. Let's just move that off a little bit so you can have some more room. Right, and then when we break that down further, we have the minor degree, which is pink, and as you can see, that's where it looks right now. Wave 3 here of the minor degree 161 dot level is ending at 119.95. So what we want to do, we want to have a look at some potential trades of where we would take any entries. So we've got one entry right now. All our targets have been hit so far, which is a positive thing. We want to be able to be sure that we can probably hit a next level up. We've got a potential consideration for entries for a wave 4. So when we look at the minute degree, that's the blue and in circles. Right now we're at the 127 level, which is looking at like some sort of exhaustion kind of level. Interesting to see if price is going to push up or go down further. So we're just marking off this territory accordingly. But we've got our exits anyhow marked at 111.05, and that's where we're going to exit that trade totally. And then we're going to look for a pullback, and then going to go up to complete the wave 5. So right now we're just still going to put our markers at that level, and just consider to see really where are we going to be standing accordingly in terms of any entries, exits. And then we're going to look for the price to come down at the 38.2 or 23.6 level, and look for an entry accordingly. I have marked it off here, and there it is. There's that entry there, which we haven't entered yet, but we could consider an entry at some stage after the 3 has been completed. So I've just marked that off there. Take that exit off. Okay, fine. So let's move to the next chart, US30. US30 is one instrument which we're really closing in on. Let's have a look exactly. We got 2 counts on this. This is the first main count what we're looking, and we're looking for an ending diagonal right now. I'll take it to the larger wave degree so you can actually follow it through. Where do we stand on that? So if I take it from here, this is the larger wave degree, which is the degree cycle being black and in Roman numbers, and that's the wave 2. Wave 3 is ending around here, which is 17829 level. And then we'll break that down further. We're in a wave 5 position of a primary. So we're looking for a possibly ending diagonal to occur in this particular wave count. And there's the wave 5, if you can see. And there's a confluence area of the wave 5 of the primary, that's in red and circles, wave 5 of the subordinate wave, which is the intermediate, that's in green and brackets, also to end around this location. And when we map off the other sub degrees, we have the minor, which is there's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 will come down around there. It will be a throw under, and then we'll look for a wave 5 to be a throw over, and then we're looking for price to come down, shooting down. But let's just complete this. It's going to take days. It's going to take maybe all of July to complete, and of course we could be wrong. Price can do whatever it wants to do. This line here is from 0 to 2, and the other one, the inner one, is from 2 to 4. And of course we've got another line going from the tops, and you've noticed the divergence which has occurred, which is in occurrence with the awesome oscillator, and you can see those highs. So we're looking for something to happen. We do know we're reaching the end in exhaustion for that particular level, and everything's telling us ending diagonal right now. If we want to have a look at a little bit more depth, we can actually see where do we look for that move to come down. As you can see, the move, this is the wave 5 of the intermediate, and the wave 5 161 level of the primary degree. So when we have this confluence area, we feel pretty confident that that could be the exhaustion point and price to come down. It's gonna probably come down to this level, 16340, about 1,000 pips, sharp move down. So that's what we're quite excited about. Are we in a trade right now? No, we're not. We're just waiting for this to complete, this wave 2 to complete, and then we're going to hit it on the 61.8. That's where we're going to put our entry. That's where we have our entry, 16593, with the stop at 16272, and we're just going to target the wave 3 ending at 17104. We don't want to get overzealous in terms of this particular trade. Just capture part of the move as we're waiting for that sharp reversal to come down. That's what we're looking for. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next chart, GER30. Once again on the daily chart, yeah, what's happened is we're in a wave 5 right now of the larger wave degree, black in Roman numbers. That's the cycle degree. Subwaves are the intermediate, primary. There's 1, there's 2, and we're in a wave 3 up. And their subwaves are the intermediate. There's 1, there's 2, and that's in a wave 3 up as well, and that's in green and in brackets. Breaking that down further, we get into the minor 1, 2, 3. We believe the wave 3 had completed. We actually did miss it just by a couple of pips. Bad luck for us, but that's how it is. And then therefore we're still in that trade, and price came down, and now we're entered on the wave 4. We entered on the wave 4 at the 23.6 level at 9869. So let me run by with you where we stand. Our first trade, 9711, right, is in a profit of 173 pips. Okay, it didn't close. We entered it here at 9711. It didn't close out. We missed it by, just a point at the level of 261 Fibonacci. That's off the minor. That's off the minor degree. That's in pink and brackets. We weren't able to close it out, and the price, of course, came shooting down. came down after 3 days, put us into an entry for the wave 4, this wave 4, which of course now we can actually move across if we wanted to. So that's the wave 4 there. So you can see there, it's a little bit difficult to see. Trying to make it a little bit bigger for you traders. There we go. So if I close that off, you can see the wave 4 there, right? Right. So price has come down, hit us on the 23.6 level, and then taken us into the trade. And now what we're looking for, we're looking to close out some trades. And where we're going to take our profit, we're going to take the profit at the profit's going to come at this level, 102.76, and also you can take another profit level at 101.45. That's right. Of course, that's where we're looking for that wave 4 to end, wave 4 trade to end its wave 5, and that will complete the wave 3 of the larger wave degree, which is the intermediate. Okay, so that's me. I'm ICI Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.